Hello, I'm back with another tutorial, and today we are going to learn how to make headband. I'm going to make a headband of an 8-month child, and I'm going to use robin yarn as usual. Robin, it's 100% acrylic. Yeah, it's soft and good, and I'm going to use 3.0 millimeter hook. Yes, so let us begin. So I'll start with the slip knots, and now the baby's inch for the head are for 17 inches. So I'm going to make a chain of 17 inches, but I'll add in more, like maybe 1 inch, which I'll use like when I'm sewing this headband, so that it doesn't decrease a lot. So let us make the chain. So I'm done, and now I want to measure, and I see if I've made the 17 inches already. Yeah, it has reached, and it's showing actually I've made 19 inches. So the extra two are going to be for what? Are going to be for where I'm going to sew, so that I don't reduce on that 17 inches exactly for the head. So we are going to row 2. I'm going to skip this first chain, and you'll go in the next one. So when you go in the next chain, do half double crochet. You're going to yarn over, you go in that second chain from hook, pull the yarn, you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3, yarn over, go in the next chain, pull the yarn, you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3, yarn over, go in the next chain, pull the yarn, you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3. So do that until you reach the other side. I'll meet you there to show you what we need to do on the next row. So I've reached at the end of this row, and now I'm going to show you how to make row 2. On row 2, you're going to chain 2, then you turn your work. After that, you're going to make half double crochet back loop. If you don't know how to make a half double crochet back loop, I have a previous video I've just made, and it's about making baby booties. You can check. I have a back loop there for half double crochet. So after yarning over, here I don't know if you're seeing it. Let me first show you clearly. I have something like a V here. It's like a V stitch. So instead of taking this side, you take this one, this side, which is facing you. It's what you take. You take what is facing the other side, not what is facing you. So that is what we call the back loop. So let me show you. I'm fixing my hook. So you yarn over, then you go in the back loop. This one is what you take. Then you pull the yarn. You have 3 loops on the yarn, you pull through. You yarn over, you go, it's like a V. Leave this one which is facing you and you take the other one which is facing the other side. You pull, you yarn over and pull through all the 3. Yarn over, go to the back loop, pull, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, go to this back, pull, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, go to this one at the back, pull and pull through all the 3. So continue like that until you reach the other side. I'll meet you there to show you what we need to do on the next row. So I've reached at the end, and now we are going to row 3. So on row 3, you're going to turn to chain 2 and then you turn. Then you're going to repeat what you did on row 2 is what you're going to do on row 3. You're going to have double crochet back loop across, and this is the same thing you're going also to do on row 4. So these 2 rows you're going to repeat what you did on the previous row, and I'll meet you on row 4 to show you what we need to do again. So I've reached at the end. This is so far how our work is looking. This is the way it is. So I'm going to chain 2 and turn on our 5th row. So what we are going to do, so you're going to yarn over, then you go in this first double crochet, you pull through like this, you pull and pass through the first 2, then you pull through the last 2. That is our first double crochet front loop. Then you're going to do the double crochet back loop, you pass behind. If you've not ever seen this or you don't know how to make it, you can even go and check on my video which shows how to make a baby bean hat. I showed it very clearly there, but still you can also follow me. In case you need a video which shows only how to make back loop and front loop, please feel free to leave a message in the comment section. So you bring it this way, you yarn over and you pull through the first 2. You remain with 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the. Again, front loop, yarn over. This time you're passing this way, then you pull the yarn, you take it up, you yarn over and pull through the first 2, then you yarn over and pull through. Then we are going for the back loop, double crochet, pass behind like that. You go in this double crochet. This is the half double crochet. So you yarn over and pass behind, then you come in front of that double crochet and you go through. Then you pull the yarn and bring it this way. You yarn over and pull through these first 2, remain with 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through those 3. Yarn over. This is the half double crochet. This time you're passing at the front. You pull the yarn, you bring it this way, yarn over, pull through the 2, yarn over and pull through. Again, yarn over, pass behind like that, pull the yarn, you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pass through the first 2, yarn over and pass through the other 2. So this is how it's going to come out. and repeat the same pattern until you reach at the end. I'll meet you to show you what we need to do. Okay, so I've reached at the end and I want to show you something small here. Now when you reach here at the end, you're not going to do the front or back post, you're just going to do a double crochet at the end. So I'm making one more back loop here, the double crochet back loop, then you're going to end with sorry, here on the last double crochet you're going to end with just a double crochet at the end, just like this. You put it at the end. You're not supposed to do a back or what, you just do a double crochet. So we've reached at the end, and this is so far how our work is looking like. As you can see, it's looking cute, so cute. Now on the next row, just chain 2, then you turn, and when you turn, you're going to do what we did at the start, just half double crochet back loop. It's the only thing you're going to do. This is the only thing you're going to do. You're just going to do half double crochet back loop like what we did on the previous rows. You yarn over, you go down, then you pull the yarn, 3 strands on the hook, you go through all the 3. That is the only thing you're going to do, half double crochet only, but back loop. So continue like that for the next 3 rows. This one, then you will add on more 2, which are 3, and at the end I'll meet you after these 3 rows to show you how to join. So continue like this.